An excavator was working when the driver, trying to show off, accidentally got stuck deep in a swamp. Looking at the situation, thinking it could get out on its own was pure fantasy. And the driver was so terrified he'd already bolted home to change his pants. Just then, a tractor hauled over a massive century-old log and placed it right in front of the trapped machine. While I was standing there totally confused, a Sani excavator arrived in a cloud of dust, and that's when I realized what the log was for. It was partly to keep the rescue machine steady when powering through and partly to help pull the trapped one by increasing friction. Honestly, that's some incredibly thoughtful planning. The rescue excavator didn't waste a second and started digging, while a crowd of onlookers watched with great interest. Judging by the constant mud being scooped out, you could tell this machine was buried deep, and the engine compartment below was likely already soaked. So, I have a question for everyone. Would you consider this trapped excavator a water-damaged vehicle? If you know the answer, leave a comment. After digging for about 48 minutes, the rescue machine slid those logs under the tracks of the stuck excavator. Remarkably, the trapped machine could still start up normally. That quality is pretty impressive. Once the logs were in place, the buckets of both machines hooked onto each other to pull together. And finally, after half an hour of struggling, the excavator was successfully dragged out of the swamp. So, what do you all think of this rescue?